Welcome to the Wonder Pets math tutorial. Today, we're going to apply quadratic equation to geometry. There are 5 steps to answer this kind of problem. First, representation. Second, equation. Third, solution. Fourth, checking. And lastly, final answer. So, here's the problem. The curtain over the window is 2 meters longer than its width. The perimeter of the curtain is 24 meters. What is its area? First, we're going to find its representation. From the sentence, the curtain over the window is 2 meters longer than its width, we can know that the x is width. Then, it says the length is 2 meters longer than its width. How can we know its length? Because there is a word saying longer. So, from that word, we can know that it's length. So, we'll write x plus 2 equals to length. Now, second part of the solution, we're going to look for the equation. I'm gonna write it as area of the curtain represented as square or a rectangle is equal to x times x plus 2. I can prove this part is because the equation for area is width times length. And then the width is x and the length is x plus 2, which means A equals x times x plus 2, as I mentioned a while ago. Now, to look for the solution, we're gonna write it as perimeter equals 2 length plus 2 width. And here we use 2 length plus 2 width because the equation of perimeter is length plus length plus width. So when we simplify it, it's just 2L plus 2W. And in the problem, it's simple to write it as 2L plus 2W. And in the problem, it's mentioned that the perimeter is 24 meters. We're gonna replace perimeter as 24 equals 2 times x plus 2 plus 2 times x. When we simplify this, we'll get 24 equals 2x plus 4 because you'll distribute 2 to x plus 2 plus 2x. Now we get 24 minus 4 equals 2x plus 2x. Now we have to isolate the x, so we divide both sides by 4. Then it's gonna be x is equal to 5. There. And in the representation, it's mentioned that the width is x while x plus 2. So when we substitute the coefficients to the variables, to the coefficients, its width is equal to 5 meters while length is equal to 7 meters. Since we're done looking for the perimeter, we're now gonna look for the area. Area is equal to x times x plus 2 as mentioned in the equation part. We're gonna substitute. Area is equal to 5 times 5 plus 2. And it is area equals 25 plus 10 because you distribute the 5 2, 5 and 2. Area equals to 35 meters squared. Now the next part is to check. Let's check. Area equals to x times x plus 2. Area is 35 meters squared, so 35 equals to 5 times 5 plus 2. 35 equals to 25 plus 10. 35 equals to 35. You place a small check mark above the equal sign. It's 35 equals to 35, which means it's correct. So we're now going to write the final answer. The final answer is the area of the curtain is 35 meters squared with its 5 meter and its length 7 meter.